In this video, I'll show you how to install Call of Duty Warzone on your Android device. So all you have to do is simply launch the Play Store on your device. So find the Play Store and launch it. Tap on it to launch it. And then tap on the search bar in the bottom right corner. And then tap on the search bar again and type in Call of Duty. And then search for it. And then from the search results, find the official game by Activision Publishing Inc. and tap on it. And then at this page, you can see what all the game is all about. So if you can tap on about this game, you can read all this. And also you can scroll down and see which events and offers are currently running. And also you can see the ratings and reviews for that particular game. Now, once you're done, you can head back and tap on install. And then give it a few seconds for the installation process to complete. Then once the installation process is complete, you can either tap on play to launch the game from the App Store, or you can simply find the game on your home screen and then tap on it, and that will launch the game. So let me give it a few seconds. And then you can agree on all these terms and conditions and tap on continue. And that's basically it on how to download Call of Duty Warzone on your Android device. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.